Hi everyone and welcome back to Nutritics. My name is Amy and I work with the engagement team here. We just made some changes to the software, so I thought I'd run through them quickly. So first up, we've made some changes to our search functionality. This should make our search quicker, but also there's a small change in how you'll search for things. You'll need to click enter after entering your search term. What we're hoping this will do is reduce the amount of search returns before you intended to search. So this should save you some time and also only return what you need. So just remember to click enter after inputting what you need to search for. We've made a really useful change to our single ingredient items. So now when you select single ingredient item on a product, you'll no longer be able to edit the ingredient list. So what we'll instead do is pull the ingredient list directly from the food name and also scan for allergens using that. This means that any change to a food name will later allow us to recapture the allergen information. So just as an example, let's open up a single ingredient item. When we scroll down to the ingredient list and select single ingredient food, you'll see the ingredient list populated automatically using the food name, and we've taken any allergens that we think might be in the food, so we'll just need you to approve them. So in this case, it's almonds. Any changes made to the food name after that, so let's change this to butter, you'll automatically get a pop-up where we detect the ingredient list, so in that case it was butter, brackets milk, and the allergen that you need to approve is the milk. So going forward, this should help us keep a higher standard of allergen data in our food system. Speaking of accurate allergens, we've made a change to our find and replace system. When you replace out an item, we'll now show the may contain allergens in the changes also. So let's replace almond butter with peanut butter. So we'll find our food and review the changes. So when you swap it out, you'll see the proposed changes, including the may contain allergens. Finally, we've made changes to our exports on Nutritics in an effort to save you time also. In our batch jobs, when you now batch export recipes, the exports will be ordered alphabetically. So we're really hoping this will save you searching in your exports. Over in the ordering dashboard, any dockets that are printed, we'll order them per bed or table that they were ordered in. So they'll no longer be exported in the order that they were received. That's it for today, but we have plenty of other changes that you can check out on our changelog. If you have any questions at all, you can email our support team at support@nutritics.com.